It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother, like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden
It's truly an honor to stand before you tonight and as Vice President of Clarendon College, sharing these special moments, the friendships you have built, the challenges you have overcome, and the memories you have created have all shaped the individuals you are becoming. And as you enjoy this evening, filled with laughter, music, and dance, I encourage you to cherish every moment. These are the memories you will look back on with fondness. The bonds of friendship, the shared experiences, and the lessons that have made you stronger.
If you want my love, you got it. Anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me. They can call me foolish and stupid. Don't know why I do this, but baby, bring your body back to me. I know, I'm not giving you up. I know, I'm not giving you up. If you want my love, then you got it. Anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me. I'm not giving you up, giving you up. I'm not giving you up. I'm not giving you up, giving you up. Baby, bring your body back to me.
Tonight, we come together to celebrate a milestone, one that marks the end of a chapter and the beginning of new opportunities. To our grade 10 and 12 students, congratulations! Your hard work, perseverance, and dedication have brought you to this special moment, and tonight, we celebrate all that you have accomplished. To our grade 10 students, this is the beginning of a new journey as you step into senior high school. Embrace the challenges ahead with confidence and determination.
Siguro na kakantahin na isang line from the song of Moito ng Cup of Joe. Sabi dito, hindi na makalaya, dinadalo mo ko bawat gabi. Tulad ng ating mga pangarap na bumibisita sa atin gabi-gabi, they never leave us alone because they are meant to be pursued. Our dreams are not cages that trap us. They are reminders that we are capable of so much more. Kaya kung paulit-ulit silang bumabalik, baka naman sinasabi nilang oras na para simulan natin abutin at gawing totoo ang ating mga pangarap. As we close this night, let's cherish our friendships, our memories, in this once-in-a-lifetime experience. This is not the end, but the beginning of the bigger dreams and greater adventures ahead. We are waiting for the future that awaits us. Congratulations, Batch 2025. May we all continue to shine in whatever path we chose. Have a great night and God bless us.